Hi friends, Namaste to all my fellow meditators. Today we'll come up with one more topic, that is addiction. Many of the people will have addictions to many things. How we can come out of the things? What is the work that you have to do on your own self in order to get rid of or in order to figure out what addictions you have, and then how to figure out them and what are the positive affirmations that we can do in this respect. Addiction comes only when you feel you are lack, or you feel when you are not good enough. That is the basis of for any addictions. When you feel that you are not good enough, then you may get addicted to somebody or something or some place or whatever, right? So that is the main underlying behavior. We have to touch, we don't want to be in touch of our feelings. Okay, we don't want to be in touch of our feelings. Something that we believe, something that we remember, and something that we are saying or something that we are doing is too painful for us to look at it. So what we will do, we'll go with some addiction. We may overeat, overdrink, or engage some compulsive or sexual behavior. So these are all this is the cause. So what is the cause? We don't want to touch our feelings, within our feelings. We are just based upon what we are believing, what we are remembering, what we are saying, and what we are doing, which is too painful for us. So in order to overcome it, or in order to avoid them, or in order to get it off, means in order to go away from it, we are actually going with this some kind of compulsive behavior or overeating or over drinking, etc. For those who are having these addictions, there is a 12-step program is there where you can go and get rid of these people. There are thousands of people who are working with the organizations like Alcoholic Anonymous, AA, all these programs. But that I'm not going to discuss today's short video. Okay, that those who are having that serious addictions, it is always better to go those institutions and follow those advices and all the 12-step program to get rid of your addictions. Here we can, after this short video, you may have to, you will get to know like what are the addictions, or you may be able to identify then what you have it, and you may identify the need of releasing them. Okay, that is the purpose of today's thing. We can't hope to duplicate the results that those programs have in this video. Okay, loving and approving yourself, or trusting the process of life, and the feeling safe because you know the power of your own mind is the secret. If you don't have that, then you are actually depending on some addiction. What is that? Loving and trusting yourself. Loving yourself and trusting the process of your life, and then you feel the safe. When you feel the safe, then you can sense the power of your mind. Once you sense the power of your mind, you will understand that you are the creator of your own reality, and you need not go to any addictions. Okay, most of the addicted people are the people who has self-hatred people. They are not accepting themselves. They hate themselves for some reason or the other. So they want to punish themselves. So in the way of punishing, they'll go with these addictions. They bought the idea of that they are not good enough. That's a basic idea. Means the self-acceptance is not there. They bought an idea that they are not good enough. So this is called a self-hatred people. Honesty, forgiveness, self-love, and willingness to live in the truth can help to erase these early wounds and give up the addictiveness. What are the four? Stay in honesty, stay in forgiveness, stay in self-love, and willingness to release all these things. If you are not willing, nobody can do anything. So are you willing to release the ideas? Are you willing to release the old beliefs that don't support or nurture you? Then you are in the right path. If you are willing to change your beliefs, and if you are willing to change the ideas that does not support you, then you are in the right path. Okay, release your addictions. Let us do some exercise. You can release your addictions right now, right here, through in your mind. If you think that you can do it, you can do it right now, right here. You need not go to anyone. So your mind is such a powerful. You need to take that affirmation. Okay. The point of power is in the present moment. It is not there in the yesterday, or it is not there in tomorrow. Don't think that from tomorrow you will change. No, right now you can change. That power is there for the present moment, and you can make a big shift from today, from this moment onwards. When you are doing this exercise, write all your addictions, especially write all your secret addictions, right, that you never told to anybody. So write down all the addictions and then work on it. If you are think that if you are a overeater, maybe you are grabbing something from the trash also and eating it. That kind of addictive behavior, you must have eaten it. If you are an alcoholic, maybe you are keeping the bottle in your car so that you can drink while you are driving. Or if you have a compulsive gambler, perhaps you must have put your family in the jeopardy and then you put all the money in the gambling. So think of all this, and you must have borrowed from money from somebody and you kept it in the gambling. So think of all these behaviors and write down what is the secret addictions that you have it. And now, after that, just think of a period in your life. Go back and think of a period in your life where you love that person so much. It could be, that could be any person, right? Look at in the mirror, say that I forgive you and I love you exactly as you are. So maybe this thing comes from something else. So think of all the reasons and forgive them as they are. Ask what is the patterns, right? What is the pattern that you as a kid? My mother always made me. Do you have something? Fill up the blanks. My mother always made me. What I really wanted to say her that time, from that time to you didn't never say, right? You write down. What my mother really don't know was, what your mother really don't know about you, you write it. My father told me I should not. If my father only knew what he would have done about you, I wish I could have told my father. Or mother, I forgive you for. Father, I forgive you for. So write down all these things, right? Write down all these things so that you will get to know what is the pattern, why this addiction is coming to you. When you get to know why that addiction comes, or why from the past behavior, or from where you are actually, you are not accepting yourself, where you are feeling the lack of love, or where you are feeling you are not able to accept yourself, where you are feeling you are not good enough, then once you know the reason, there is always a chance that you can just let it go and then go for the affirmations and do your work. You can start the work from there. So what are the affirmations for your addictions? Think that you are in the peace. You are not in hurry. You are at peace. I'm totally adequate in all the situations. I release my stress with deep breathing. I release my stress with deep breathing. I have the power, strength, and knowledge to handle everything in life. I nourish myself with my own love. I radiate acceptance and I deeply loved by others. I release the need to be perfect and I am enough, just I am. I am open to the wisdom within. I see my patterns and make changes without embarrassment and guilt. I recognize the awareness in the first step in healing and changing. I become more aware each day. I relax into the flow of life and let the life provide all that I need easily and comfortably. I'm willing to create new thoughts about my life and myself. No one can mistreat me. I appreciate myself. I'm gentle and kind with myself and I grow change. No person, place, thing has power over me. I am free. Okay. take any of these affirmations that suits to you and then practice them. So you, first of all, you figure out what is the area that you feel that you are lacking, what is the area that you are feeling that you are not good enough. If you figure out that, you can able to come out of the addictions that you have. Tomorrow we'll come up with the one more topic. Until then, thank you, thank you, thank you.